The Lower Rhine Bridge in Wesel is equipped with DYWIDAG strand cable bundles, originally installed in 2008. The structure features a 130-meter pylon and a main span of 335 meters. The cables were initially designed with a guided bearing system. This system used elastomer bearings to restrain the cables laterally and reduce bending forces at the anchor points. That original guide system is now being removed as part of an upgrade program. Dismantling works can be seen on one of the cable groups, while installation of a new damping solution is underway on the next group. Each cable group consists of 6 strand bundles positioned very closely together. This tight spacing presented a design challenge for the new damping solution. To address this, a special configuration was developed: 2 hydraulic dampers arranged in a V-shape above each cable. These viscoelastic dampers reduce cable vibration by dissipating energy through the movement of the piston. Articulated joints in the clamp and head plate allow movement in multiple directions, ensuring the damper can respond effectively to cable motion. As the cable moves, primarily vertically but also laterally, the piston stroke adjusts accordingly, absorbing energy and providing consistent damping performance. Further along, the external support structure for the damper can be seen already installed. The cables incorporate an external twist along the free length near the upper section, which significantly reduces the risk of rain-wind-induced vibrations. The installation of 2 dampers per cable will effectively mitigate these movements, ensuring long-term stability and performance of the bridge's stay cables. DYWIDAG offers a comprehensive stay cable protection solution, including damper replacement and retrofit services. To safeguard the future of your cable-stayed bridge, choose DYWIDAG.